3, 2, 1, go!
Your steady dearest on the mic. Who's the little kid coming at me all childlike? I'm a motherfucking demon, give me a good reason why I shouldn't give you little ass a big beating. You think that you're good enough for my daughter? Better prepare cause you're ripe for a slaughter. If you want her, you better come at me stronger. But one wrong move and you'll be nothing but a goner.
Just wanna take your daughter for a date. When I look into her eyes I knew that it was fake. But what the fuck is this dad doing rapping? Aren't you too old? Might as well be retiring. You got the bars to mess with me, I'm one of the kind. I'll have you bringing in your knees. I've got the sickest rhymes that'll woo her heart. Your flow's so weak, why did you even start?
So confused, it feels like I'm being used. I'm so conflicted with you two that I have no idea what to do. Should I stay with him and leave, or should I just do as you please? I'm just gonna take a seat as I listen to this funky beat. It's mommy near, so watch out, little blue boy. I'm gonna break you and I surely will enjoy. The baddest bitch you'll ever see is on the seat. One look and baby you will know that I'm the queen.
You think that I am scared of your
I
presence?
think that I should teach you a lesson.
All that I want is to be with her all night.
Get in my way and I'll surely win this fight. So confused, it feels like I'm being used. I'm so conflicted with you two that I have no idea what to do. Should I stay with him and leave, or should I just do as you please? I'm just gonna take a seat as I listen to this funky beat.
Go on, get out of my way before I wreck all your pride. You know that I won't